and she's really trying to frame me as being a sexual abuser to my child. And she writes, it is very concerning that father relies on a short video to allege maternal aunt committed sexual abuse on the child. And then she has a keynote one. One says the police, Luzerne County Children and Youth, and the guardian ad litem, as well as the Children's Advocacy Center of Philadelphia, could find no evidence of abuse. In the keynotes, it's also a fabrication of the evidence because in 2020 and 2021, which she's referring to that video from 2021, Child's Advocacy Center never got involved with my case, and that's part of the reason why I filed a lawsuit against CYS. CYS tried to brush my case under the rug. And later on that year, the director was arrested for endangering hundreds of children for doing that exact same thing. My case actually created systemic change within the Child Advocacy Center. And as far as the police did a great job from the initial officer to the detective. You have to go to the district attorney and to the bigger courts with hard evidence. Of course, my daughter can't speak, and this is what puts her at the risk of being sexually abused because of her autism. And, people in her shoes are more likely to be abused because of that reason alone. But two different judges use their discretion, which this is why discretion is so important. We're gonna make these decisions, and we're gonna do it in the best interest of the child. Now that's how discretion in the best interest of the child standard should work. And then she says, when there's a video in evidence that the child pointed to a picture of father when asked who did patty cake and chin. Keynote note 2, say who did patty cake and chin. This is a word apparently used by the child to refer to oral sex. So my daughter's mother taught my daughter to call her private area her patty cake. And this can all be seen in episode 18. So the judge said it is very concerning that the father relies on a short video to allege maternal aunt committed sexual abuse on the child when there is a video and evidence that the child pointed to a picture of father when asked who did patty cake and chin. Again, the judge is cherry picking from litigation from 2020 and 2021. It's not just that I rely on a short video. Two different judges, 5 different hearings regarding this topic. So it's not just about one video. It's about testimony. It's about credibility. It's about investigations. All of that can be seen in earlier episodes. But this is a complete fabrication of evidence because she's cherry picking through litigation and creating false narratives. The video she's referring to, my daughter pointed at everybody, including a dog, and asked who showed her this behavior. This video was produced after about 7 months after my video was produced, asking who showed her this behavior. Again, I'll show you my video, and then I'll show you the video mom produced to show Sadia isn't that smart. She's going to point at everybody when asked who did patty cake chin. So here's the videos. Who showed you patty cake chin out of these people right here?
Cake.
Who? Who showed you? Show me.
Patty cake. Chin.
Yeah, who? Which one of these people?
Oh, I love you so much.
Oh, I love you so much, baby. Baby, which one of these people show you patty cake chin?
Patty cake chassis.
Chassis?
Chassis. Patty cake. Patty cake. Chin. Patty cake.
Who did it? Who did it? Who?
Who?
Who did that? Patty cake chin.
Who? Patty cake, and they sigh.
Chassis?
Chassis. Patty cake.
Chassis did it?
Chassis did it. Oh, sips, come.
Who showed you patty cake and chin?
Patty cake and chin.
Who showed you patty cake and chin?
Patty cake chin.
Who show you? Who do it?
To show patty cake and chin.
Grandpa show you patty cake and chin?
The baby. Patty cake.
Patty cake and chin?
Patty cake and chin.
Grandpa?
Grandpa.
Grandma show you patty cake and chin?
Grandpa patty cake. Tin.
Grandma patty cake and chin?
Patty cake. Tin. Hugs.
Hugs. Oh, baby. Dada show patty cake and chin?
Dada's patty cake. Tin.
Dada show patty cake and chin?
Dada's a patty cake. Tin.
Dada do it?
Dada do it.
Or mommy show patty cake and chin?
Mommy and tin.
Who show you patty cake and chin?
Patty cake. Tin. Hugs.
Hugs. I know, baby.
Tin. Sweet woman.
Okay. Who show you patty cake and chin? Jazzy show patty cake and chin?
Patty cake. Tin.
Who? Point to me. Who? Who do it?
Patty cake. All done.
All done. Not yet. No me show patty cake and chin?
Patty cake. Tin.
Who do it? Who show you?
Smile.
Smile. Come here, baby. Dee show patty cake and chin?
Patty cake. Tin.
Who do it? Show me.
Show patty cake. Tin.
Mushu?
Mushu.
Mushu show patty cake and chin?
Mushu. Patty cake. Tin.
Mushu do it?
Mushu do it. Mushu.
Mushu, yeah.
Smile.
All done?
So now I respond to the Superior Court in regards to the judge fabricating the evidence. And I said the courts are attempting to portray me as the sexual perpetrator against my child. However, their methods are egregiously careless and corrupt. Despite the judge's recognition by the Bar Association and over 10 years of service on the Judicial Committee, no individual should wield such unchecked power to fabricate lies without accountability. The judge claims that the child identified me by pointing to my chin in private area in a video from the 2021 trial. This video, which Judge Hughes reviewed, was created after my initial video where the child pointed to Jasmine and displayed disturbing nonverbal body language. In the mother's video, the child unnaturally repeats the same statements. The video referenced by the judge shows the child pointing to me when asked the same questions, but also agreeing that various other individuals, including the mother, Jasmine, Jack, Christine, Naomi, herself, and even the family dog, showed her these inappropriate behaviors. The judge, however, only highlights the child's identification of me, which constitutes a violation of numerous laws, including fraud upon the court. Furthermore, it is alleged that the video in question was produced by the mother in an attempt to demonstrate the child's lack of credibility or competence, with the apparent intent of persuading the court to exclude my previously submitted video evidence